If you're still answering leads manually, you're already behind, guys. Now, imagine if you had an AI agent that handles all your conversations, books your appointments, all your follow-ups 24/7 without ever needing a break. I'm going to show you how a custom AI agent can completely transform your business and save you hundreds of hours a month in your business, guys, just using and leveraging AI bots, just like this screenshot here and this screenshot here of our AI bot handling call inquiries and text inquiries that come in. And I'm going to even break it down in this video as well, a exact example. So we had a lead call our number on our website, and we don't use reps or anything like that. Our AI bots will always handle all of our texting and our calling. So if somebody calls or inquires through our website on our number, our AI bot will pretty much handle the situation, answer any questions, and try to get them to book a demo call with our sales team. So here's a call that came in, and I'll play it for you guys so you can hear it.
Connecting. Hey, you have reached Flex Connect. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm calling this guy back. He wanted to know if I wanted a quick call. Can you connect me to him, please?
I totally get it, but I'm not able to connect calls directly. If you need any info about Flex Connect or want to schedule a demo, I can help with that. What do you think?
Yeah, why don't you send me a link to schedule a demo, please?
Sure thing. I can help you schedule a demo right now. Let's find a time that works for you. How about Tuesday, July 8th at either 10 a.m., 1 p.m., or 4 p.m.?
1 p.m.
I have booked your appointment for Tuesday, July 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Anything else I can help you with?
That's it. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Goodbye and take care.
Cool. So those come in, then it booked the appointment in our calendar, went to our sales guy, went to an opportunity that a demo call was booked, and sent out the confirmations. And we'll go through the flow to send out the confirmations before the appointment as well to remind them. And our team will get a notification as well. Now, you can have it automatically. We had the email and everything on file for that guy, but it will automatically confirm their email address as well, confirm their numbers, confirm all information. You can have it transfer as well. So we have the live transfer turned off because we don't want people to live transfer to our sales guys. We just want them to try to book a demo, and our AI bot can answer any questions as far as any of the features on our system, and you can customize it however you want. So now not only are we don't have to worry about no calls not getting answered. The AI bot will pick up every time. It can speak multiple different languages, and it will book all your leads, follow-ups, texting, etc., answer any questions for you. So, even when I call golf courses or I call companies all the time and they don't answer, it goes to voicemail, I call the next company right away. So if there's a bot that comes into place and picks up every single phone call for you guys and every single text and handles all customer care and inquiries to get the job done for you guys, that saves you guys so much time and money in your business, and even increases your revenue and jobs that come in, because now you're not going to be losing jobs to missed calls or missed texts or anything like that. So it will save you hours and it will make you lots of money just having a little simple automation as far as an AI agent that handles your texting and your calling. And it goes a lot deeper into this. I'm not going to bore you on this video breaking it down. I'll have other videos of us how we build these out. But if you do want to book a call, if you do own a business and you want to see how you can implement these AI agents into your business, you can book a call with us on our website below, Flex Connect, and I'll put the demo link below, and you can book a demo with us and we can go in depth on how this all works and how you can utilize it into your business and see if it can help you. So yeah, I hope this video helped. And if you're not leveraging AI agents and automation in your business in 2025, you guys will fall behind, because this is crucial and it's going to save you so much time and even help you increase your revenue as well and profit margins. So like I said, you can book a call below and see how we can help.